It's my favorite time of year, chili season. You will find no more autumn-like chili than this pumpkin chorizo chili. Don't let pumpkin freak you out. It lends an amazing depth and richness that will make you crave it all season long. You'll be diving into this baby as soon as it's in the bowl. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a large Dutch oven, add a pound of chorizo, more daintily than I did. Break it up into smaller pieces and allow it to cook all the way through. When it's all cooked down, you'll likely see some leftover grease from the meat. Use that to saute 1 diced poblano pepper. It's a mild pepper, so feel free to adjust up to a jalapeno if you like. For an easy chili base, I like to use this roasted red pepper tomato soup. Then add 1 can of pumpkin puree. Make sure that you don't pick up the pumpkin pie mix in a can. Then add 1 small can of tomato paste and give it all a stir until it's well combined. Thin it out with 4 to 6 ounces of apple cider. Now it's time for the spices. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and give it a stir. Add your 2 cups of cooked kidney beans and gently stir it in, and then give it a taste. If you want a mild heat, add 1 teaspoon of berberry and about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cumin. This chili is meant to be a little more mild so the pumpkin doesn't get masked. Then add a little crack of fresh black pepper and cover it on low while it bubbles away for 30 to 40 minutes. Then it's time to dish it up and snuggle in for some comfort food. Pumpkin Chorizo Chili is hearty, filling, and combines all of the best tastes of fall, from pumpkin to apple cider, without having them overpower that classic chili taste. It's perfect served up with your favorite crackers or ready to be sopped up with a piece of sourdough or cornbread. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.